Good afternoon everyone. My name is Pragati Ganesh Srigiri. My roll number is 255. I am from SSW COE, Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering. So subject is programming for problem solving. So today my topic is 3D array in C. So let's see. A three-dimensional array, 3D array. A three-dimensional array is also known as 3D array in C. Is a collection of two-dimensional array. It can be visualized as a multiple 2D arrays stacked on a top of each other. So a 3D array stores data in a 3 levels. So let's see. First, pages depth dimension, second, rows, and third is column. Declaration of 3D array in a C. We can declare a 3D array with a 2D array each having m rows and n columns. See, using the syntax of shown below. So what is syntax for declaration? So let's see. Syntax: data type, array name, x, m and n. So this is the simple syntax for 3D array. For example, we can declare 3D array which is made by two 2D array and each 2D array have 2 rows and 2 columns. Int, just like example, int array 2 2 2. This is the simple syntax and this is also the simple syntax for 3D array. Initializing of 3D array in C. Initializing of 3D array in a C is the same as that of 2D arrays. The difference is as the number of dimension in carry, so the number of instant is brace will also increases. Int array 2 3 2. The brace will be increases. Just like we can write like that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Or we can also write this same example as a int array in bracket 2 3 2, and we can write this syntax as well as like this. We can write as that both. Again, just like the 2D array, we can also declare the 3D array without specifying the size of first dimension if we are using initializer set. Accessing element. To access element in 3D array, we use the 3 index. One for div, one for row and one for column. Inside subtract operator. Syntax: array name Dij, where D, I and J are the index of bit, the row within the 2D arrays and the column within that 2D arrays respectively. So this is the 3D array diagram. So this is the rows, this is column, this is array 1, array 2 and array 3. Simple program for 3-dimensional array means 3D array. So let's see. Hash include stdio_i.h, int main curly bracket open, int name. So we for 3D array we write like this and like this. Int I j k. So printing 3D array. So for this is 3D array, so that's why we use for loop for 3 times. For I is equal to j, I is equal to I to I plus plus. So curly bracket open for. So now again we use for loop. J is equal to 0, j bigger than 2, j plus plus. So again curly brackets is open. So again we use for loop because this is 3D array. So k. So this use for our column. K is equals to 0, k bigger than 2, k plus plus. So again we open curly bracket, printf. So we use d, percentage d. So if we declare this, so again curly bracket closed. Again we write printf slash n for next line. So again curly bracket closed, again we write printf slash n to next line, again curly bracket closed, return 0, curly bracket closed. And this is our simple program for 3D array. So this is output of our program. So let's see, this is our output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.